My new neoprene mat from Graceland Designs arrives today. I'm going to cut the mat into half with the scissors so that I can bring to my client's home today. I'm packing up my in-home photo shoot items into my luggage case. Here I've got a pillow, a small belt, and this beautiful mat from Graceland Designs. It's compact when you fold it into your suitcase and take to your client home. I love it. Here I've got a second backdrop. This suitcase is not massive, but it can fit so many different backdrops into one. I've got usually two backdrops are more than enough for me to style a few setups. And I've got my flocati too. You can see on the right side I've got the small posy in my suitcase. That's from Graceland Designs. I love the posy. It's compact and I can use it for potato sacks or beanbag poses. Only these two large props I'm going to carry by themselves.先拿这个背景布，橡胶做的，我超级爱这种背景布。这个橡胶的背景垫真是铺哪就立刻平。再来一个小床，羊毛垫。这个音乐听得我好想跳舞。小枕头一个，还有一些小草。一条米色的果布。